Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In today's video, we will learn how to create Facebook account. But before that, do not forget to like our video, share it with your friends, comment below if you have any queries or requests, and also subscribe to our button to learn more. To get notification, press the bell icon. Now without any delay, let's start our video. As you can see, I've already opened facebook.com over here. You have an option to log in over here. Then you have an option to create account, which is this one. Click on create new account, and then you have a form to fill for your account. Once you have signed up, they'll ask you to verify your email address. Once you verify your email address, you can now use it to log into your Facebook. And you have created your Facebook account. I hope my video was helpful for you all. Please let us know if you have any suggestion for our new video. You can also post your queries to let us know. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel. And to get notification, press the bell icon.